How to fix error code 291. So first, you just have to log into your Roblox account. Now, kindly add support here. So www.roblox.com/support. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Now, as you can see here, we have contact us, contact information. You just have to simply type your username, but that one is optional. Always remember that you should type your email address here, your parental guardian email address, your confirmed email address. And then if you go down to issue details, you have to select the device that you're using. So for me, I'm currently using my PC. Type of health category, you have to choose this technical support. So you have to look for technical support here. Now for subcategory, click the specific experience issue. Now, so for description of issue, what you want to do is to simply ask for a help that you're encountering this error code 291, experiencing this specific game on Roblox. So what you want to do is to simply type in like, please help me fix some errors. I'm encountering error code 291 with this game. For example, please donate. Okay. So you could also add information here, I mean your contact information, so that they can reach you. But it's okay if you don't add some information here or contact information, as long as you enter your email address, then they will reach you there. Okay, so this is just an example. You can create your own message, but you can also copy this one. So once done, what you want to do next is to simply click submit. Okay, and then wait for the customer service team to respond, and we'll give you instruction on what you're going to do in order to fix this error. As easy as that. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next tutorials.